box from the States. Big shout out to my mom. Thank you, Mom, for sending us that box. Now we gotta go over there and pick it up. We'll see how much I gotta pay.
Okay. Post office.
Oh, it's a stop for directions, and the guy tells us the wrong fucking directions. It's supposed. I didn't get all that on video, but what happened? My man's not sure exactly where to go, so he pulls in over there. Asks somebody where the post office is, right? Now I'm looking at the post office on my fucking maps. I know where it's at. They don't. They live here. They don't know where the post office is. All right, got it. But when I try to tell them where to go, they don't believe the foreign guy. I'm looking at a thing called Google Maps. And I promise you that Google Maps is 100% more accurate. I'm not saying it's not foolproof, but I'm saying it is 100 million times more accurate than stopping and asking somebody in the Philippines for directions. That is my personal experience. Maybe you have a different opinion. But if you stop and ask for directions in this country, you are going to get wrong directions. They don't know, but they will not tell you, I don't know. They will just point a direction, and my man's going to cut a U-turn. I'm like, no, keep going straight. We're not going back over there. So anyhow, just a daily frustration that you have to have patience with. But if you're looking at the place on Google Maps, if you've done the research, you know where it is, you're gonna have to guide them there. That's why it's much easier to take Grab, because the guy's gonna look at a map and he's gonna take you there. I prefer riding a tricycle, but these are the frustrations that you'll endure when taking the tricycle to somewhere that's not very prominent, okay? Anyhow, we're back underway. Keep straight. Alright folks, if you're looking for the post office, this is the post office right here. It says Phil Post, there's a little sign right there. And when you come here, if you're picking up a package, you go in that door right there. Now there's a window over here, I don't know what's up with that, but you go in that door and hand your little slip to the ladies. They will give you your box, and you're gonna have to pay a little bit of fee, whatever the fee is, but I'm not complaining. My mom sent me a big ass box. Thanks, Mom. We give you a big shout out. And it was 112 pesos for the fee. So where we're at, we're right down, I guess there's a Chow King down there. We're right across from the gas station over there. But again, a lot of people are not gonna know, tricycle driver not gonna know where the post office is. Right here, it's on MacArthur. There's several if you pull them up on Google, but in my experience, if you're getting a package from the States or handing you that slip, this is where you gotta come to. Sign a book, bring your slip, bring an ID, and you're gonna pay a couple bucks, you know, 100, 200 pesos, whatever, and pick up your box. So my man right here got it loaded up, and it's time to roll back and see what my mom has sent us in this little goodie package right here, and I'm excited about it. Thanks again, Mom. Thanks for sending us all this stuff, and we're rolling out. So again, this is where we're at. One more look around the post office. Right here. It's like a light blue building with this blue fence, and if you don't know where you're coming to, you're gonna miss it. Right here. Light blue fence, there's your sign right up there, my friends. Alright, so like I said, it's right here next to this gas station, but if you're coming from like the Walker Street area, there's a KFC right there on the corner. So the KFC and a Caltex, and we're pulling into the Caltex right now to get some fuel. But again, if you haven't watched any of my other Southeast Asia videos, Thailand, Philippines, all the gas stations over here, folks, are full service. Okay, you can't even pump gas yourself if you want to at one of these professional gas stations. It's full service. Got this beautiful girl. Wow, my goodness, beautiful smile. Thank you, my friend. Okay, now how many people want to marry that girl working at the gas station pumping gas? All you got to do is come into Caltex and you can find her. I'm sure she's looking for a boyfriend. Hard-working girl. That's the type of girls you need to be looking for over here, my friend. Don't be falling in love with a bitch swinging off a fucking pole. She's on that pole, well, I'll leave it alone. My point is, that girl at the gas station back there that's a quality chick that if I was looking for marriage material, hell yeah. Give me a hard-working girl, pumping gas. Putting gas in them tricycles all day.